Can you believe this? Filling up this excavator costs around $15,000 just for one tank of fuel. Meet the Komatsu PC-8000, the most powerful excavator in the world. It runs on two massive diesel engines, producing over 4,000 horsepower combined. At full throttle, it burns nearly 265 gallons of diesel per hour, and its fuel tank holds more than 3,700 gallons. That means a single refuel costs as much as buying a brand new car. This beast weighs about 1.65 million pounds. Its bucket is gigantic, too. One scoop can carry as much dirt as 20 pickup trucks. Unlike traditional cable-operated machines, the PC-8000 uses a hydraulic drive system, making its movement smoother and more responsive. Perfect for the extreme temperature swings in open-pit mines. But it doesn't work alone. It usually teams up with the Komatsu 930E haul truck. Just 2 scoops from the excavator can fill one of these trucks with nearly 80 tons of ore. So if you had 10 minutes behind the controls, what would you dig up first? This machine is built for one job, moving coal. It's called a chain bucket ship unloader, and it basically stands on a coal pile like a giant mechanical foot. This beast can move about 2,000 tons of coal an hour, easily tens of times faster than your usual unloading equipment. But here's the downside. The chains wear out super fast. Coal piles almost always contain rocks, and those rocks act like sandpaper, grinding the chain links down millimeters every single day. To slow down the wear, ports have to shut the machine down at night to do something called a chain flip, basically reversing the whole chain so the other side takes the load. That trick alone can stretch the chain's lifespan by almost 50%. Now, if we're talking about the most common and bulletproof reliable machine for this job, you're looking at the classic grab bucket loader. Sure, it's not fast. It only moves around 400 tons an hour, but it almost never breaks, and bosses love it for that exact reason. So tell me, if someone handed you one of these machines for free, which one are you taking? Do you ever see a snowplow that looks like a giant crab? Whenever this machine shows up, people can't help staring. The way it works really does look like a crab digging into a bowl of rice. Its real name is a claw-type snow remover. Up front, it has a vibrating scoop, and on both sides, a pair of constantly spinning paddles. Once the machine kicks on, those paddles grab packed snow bite by bite, pulling it into a tracked chute and dumping it straight into the dump truck behind it. The whole motion is so smooth that watching it feels strangely satisfying. Why this claw design? Because it can chew through snow that regular spinning brushes can't handle, especially when overnight traffic packs snow into something closer to snow bricks. A normal plow can't push that stuff at all, but this forced feeding setup, it eats through hard, dense snow like nothing. Whenever a city gets its first snowfall of the season, this thing becomes the MVP of the streets. And if you ever see one